Anouba leader ama Khallaga Meeyam gi Leingak ama Leihanba Haibasi Congress Party gi Apambani HAINA Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi President ke MEGHACHANDRA na PHONGDORAKLI Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena ngarang resign tawkraba matung oirakli ba fiba masingi matangda agency na loba interview amada MLA ke MEGHACHANDRA hai Manipur gi Meeyam amadi ruling da leiriba MLA Singh Faubana Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren gi Leingak lona sida thazaba mangkhrabani amarom da ngasi dagi phamba hogani haina thaurang tawramba Taranithoi Suba Manipur Legislative Assembly ge Taret Suba Mipamda Congress Party na Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren ge mathakta no confidence motion ama pukhatkani haina thaurang tawkhe Maduda soidana maithi ragani haibasi khangbadagi Nongthomam Birena Chief Minister ge famdagi resign tawkebani karigumba mahakna ngalingai da resign tawba oiramlabadi pumnamakki yaifaba oiramgadabani adumakpu thenglabasu thengna Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena resign tawkeba asi afaba political ge development amani haina lawba yai Nongthomam Birena Chief Minister ge famdagi resign Taurage haina Governor da Cherol Pisinkraba matung ngasidagi phamba hogani haina Taurang Tauramba Assembly Session adusu tokre matang asida hainingbadi Congress Party na state asida President rule natraga animated suspension thamba pamde Aikhogi apambadi luchingba ama Khallaga Meeyam gi damak Leingak ama lingbaduni maramaduna Central Government na Meeyam gi mandate ikai khumnagadabani haina MLA MEGHACHANDRA makhatana phongdokhi
The entire peoples of Manipur and his MLAs, his own MLAs are really fed up with his administration, and that is why he made his resignations tenders to the honorable governors. I think that he will be defeated in the no confidence motion to be moved by the Congress parties. In the ensuing assembly session and all, he should have been resigned earlier, long time back. Even if it is belated, is a very good development. We think that this is the, even if it is belated, it is a good political development. Our Congress parties, want that there should be a new leaders and there should be a new government, and we don't like these animated suspensions or person's role here in the state, because the people's mandate should be respected by the central government.